Big G, higher whopper, oompa, stick it up your jumper. Back once again with the big Virginia tosser. Yeah, camping, woods, gotta be good. Got a boys' night. Boys! Lads. Managed to get my brother out, so he won't allow me to film him. We have got a how can I put it politely without getting demonetised? We have got a Finnish man that is a fan of the surprise adoption. I can't use that. We got Vesa with us. From Finland. And it is... dog. They shoot dog. They beep God. Yes, so it's going to be a good night. We'll get some stuff up. Hammocks. And it will be good. I will avoid filming these as much as possible. Martin's not very photogenic. Vinny don't shut up, and my brother's a bit of a knob. Out. This video is going to be very, very hit and miss because, you know, we're out camping. I don't want to be shoving a camera in people's faces when we're meant to be enjoying ourselves. But I do want to show you my setup. Going to go tarpless. Hopefully it won't rain. Onewind crystal bridge, hammock underquilt. My bro is rocking the Schneid of the Haven hammock, which has really surprised me. You're off camera, but what do you think of it comfort wise?
Great, mate. It's lovely.
And he hates hammocking. I'll take you around to see Martin's. He's in the G43 hammock, which he's been rocking for ages and ages and ages. I'll let him put his own underquilt on. And old Vesa, the crazy Finn, is in the Hello Kitty tent. Once again, he hasn't put the tarp over it as yet. I have got an underquilt for him, so he can be as snug as a bug in a rug. My face is leaking. I'm going to crack a beer in a moment. Martin's going to come back because he forgot the most important thing of camp, which I can't mention. And then we're going to have some music. Big G, higher whopper, oompa, stick it up your jumper. So Martin's back. Party's underway. First beer of the day. I'm not a big drinker, despite being a big fat piggy boy. Yeah, camp looks really good. Looks scruffier than normal, because half of these don't camp. But it should be a proper top night. I will apologise now about the lack of filming, but I guarantee you, they won't let me put it on.
Marty Sparkle and the Glitter Balls. Actually, tonight we're just going to be Marty Sparkle and the Glitter Ball.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight for one night only, a pair of pricks.
Why has it got to be like that? Full cream?
Yeah.
Sure.
Balls. Cream.
If you want to be a legend with the lady, here's what you got to do. It's all in the right preparation. You gotta keep it silky smooth. Some guys like a little starboard, while others rock around full bush. For me, I like it fucking streamlined. I'm a biscuit boy, it's true. You gotta put cream on your balls. Yeah, you gotta do it right.
That's right.
You gotta put cream on your balls. Man, stop walking like you're chafing, like your nuts off black and blue. You can't walk no more with your balls this sore red raw. You need a poo. Boy, stop walking on your tiptoes if you wanna know the shaving truth. Shit, don't forget about the ball cream. If you do, that's ball abuse. You gotta put cream on your balls. Yeah, you gotta do it right. You gotta put cream on your balls. do, Kevin. Yeah, you gotta do it right. Sing it with me, Kev, boy. Put cream on. Put cream on your balls. Lay with those big nipples up and come sing with me tonight. You gotta put cream
put cream on your balls.
Yeah, you gotta do it right. You gotta put cream on. Put cream on your balls. Put cream on your balls. You gotta put cream on your balls. Put cream on your, yeah, what you gotta do, really? You gotta put it on. Put it on. Put the fucking cream on till the break of dawn. You gotta put it on. Put it on. Put the cream on. Cream on. Put cream on your balls.
Go check him out. I'll put a link up there somewhere. That will never appear on his channel though, because there's a bit of a music snob.
We'll be on tour this year.
He's definitely your best song.
Coming to a forest near you.
Been a quality night so far. As I said, not a lot of filming. Some mungo forgot the skillet because we was going to have sausages. So I don't know how we're going to cook them. We really didn't want to have a fire because it's been bone dry. Improvise, adapt, and overcome, innit? We'll figure something out. Right.
Sweating.
Benny, you're the absolute shizzles on that bongo, mate, honestly.
Sorry?
You're fucking brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
You proper nailed that, right? So everyone, go and have a look at his channel, linked and all that.
I can see. I couldn't see anything.
It's the most fucking
Why?
Vinny said, I'll come out camping with Lee
Guys,
if we wear these suits. And I was like, why?
the thing is, that was the
we gonna
bollocks, and you've got paper suits on.
I know.
Why have you got paper suits on?
I don't know. I think we
Fucking
got,
hell.
well, Kev said he wanted some DIY done.
Mate, that is so funny. People go look at that and think that they're really, they listen to it, they think really good, and then they pan to the camera and, oh, that was well.
Yeah, strange. Something wrong with them.
Oh, you stopped that?
Right?
Something's wrong with them.
All right. I don't know. Sometimes
You know.
Play monkey. He's just taking a little break from disposing of the body by the looks of it. He ain't right. He definitely ain't right. No, but he can make love to a dead body. Does look like it might rain. So I've got two ham-fisted spadoofers trying to put a tarp up. Sometimes it's an absolute embarrassment. Not exactly a monsoon, but some well-needed rain. They're still recording and doing what they do. So am I, it looks like. Got to sort out food.
I'm fucked.
That's my butt right there. You're all in. Little bed of embers. Got proper anemic sausages, tomato sauce mix, some onion from the fire.
Nothing wrong with that.
Actually getting some forest bathing in. Listen to how peaceful it is. Mainly because Martin and my brother have gone to the pub. So the noise has dropped considerably, enabling me to just take that in. I think England are playing as well. Proper top night. It's days like the day that I wish that I could leave my camera running permanently and edit, because there's been some proper good stuff. Brother broke the chair, he went for a Burton, he's been dancing like a moron. Don't know what's going on with Martin and them white suits, but it is good, yeah. Probably see me when I'm tucking myself in bed. Big fat piggy boy. I'm going to take this opportunity while it's quiet to get in the hammock, put a podcast on, before Martin, the screamer, comes back, and my brother, who snores like 20 men. He really, really, really is bad. So, might just lay down, absorb it. I think that's what I'll do. About 11:30. Time for bed, I reckon.
What time is it?
About 11:30, mate.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. So the boys are back from the pub. I've been sitting here laying down listening to podcasts, and I'm not far off drifting off to Kip, which will be great. Yeah, top night all in all. Not that you've seen a lot of it, but as I keep telling you, I do this shizzle for me, not you. You just come along for the ride. I'll see you in the morning when the birds are singing. 7:15. I've been up and about for quite a while. The rest is still asleep. There are some bloody noises coming out of these hammocks. The snores are unreal. Gonna drink myself up, get a cup of coffee, I think. Or drink water. And think about packing up.
I'm done wanking in the woods.
First brew of the day, everyone's in good spirits. My brother almost fucking managed to get on camera then. He gets all teary like when he gets filmed. Don't blame him. His fucking head, look at it. Usual rules apply, no trace left. He's definitely soiled himself. He ain't far behind. Vinny's lurking, as usual, waiting for a victim.
I think the only one who's pebble dashed the place was you.
Don't know what you're talking about.
Trace.
Good night. Couldn't film it because reasons, but it was pretty damn messy. Enjoyed it thoroughly. Until next time, ta-ra. Scruffy bunch of bastards, look at them.